From this dietitian's kitchen, this is how I turn tuna into a lunch I actually look forward to. I mix tuna with avocado, lemon, olive oil, and salt. That's it. Then I build a snack plate with pita chips, crunchy veggies, and fruit, and finish it with green olives and a little za'atar on top. It's a simple way I add protein, fiber, and good fats so it actually keeps me full. I make this once and eat it twice. Shop all ingredients in-store and online.